In this short tutorial, I will show you how to allow WhatsApp to access your contacts on your iPhone. By allowing WhatsApp to access your contacts, you can easily find and connect with your friends and family members who are also using WhatsApp. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see WhatsApp. Tap on it. Now you'll see the Contacts option, which is turned off. To allow WhatsApp to access your contacts on your iPhone, simply toggle on the switch next to the Contacts option. Once you have enabled contact access for WhatsApp, the app will be able to sync with your iPhone's contacts list. This will make it convenient for you to quickly find and message people in your contact list through WhatsApp without having to manually enter their phone numbers. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.